Venkataya, Assistant Professor, Department of Jubilee, Electrical and Electronics Engineering Section. And today I am going to give the topic about expert talk on TRL, MRL and IRL by Institutions Innovative Council and MHRA. Let us see what is TRL, MRL, IRL. What is the importance in technology for the students, benefit of the nation. Now see that TRL stands for Technological Research Readiness Level. It is. What is TRL? Why the TRL is required is how it is a measure to measure the technology, how much maturity is there. In the students, maturity level will be different. Right? When they reach to 16 or 17, 18, teenage, the maturity level will be different. Whatever we do, no need to give the directly. They will by seeing, by observing the seniors or juniors, the seniors technology readiness level, how the technology helps to build the nation, what are the various levels we have, that will see. Next is readiness level, and another thing is that integrating readiness level. Whatever the technology we apply to manufacture one equipment, that is integrated, how they can be useful. That can be measured by the investment readiness level or integrating readiness level. There are so many types of technology research level. The technology readiness level, measurement of maturity level of the students or particular technology. Suppose we have 5G. 5G technology, how it works? In previous, the technology level 20 years back, 10 years back, nowadays. Before 5G, 4G is there, 3G is there. In the ancient days, 90s or 1880s, you know that World War I when it happens, when the World War II happens, now World War III. The maturity level of technology is different. Without entering to the some country, we can destroy the country. No, it is possible. In Operation Sindhu, how the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, without entering to the neighboring country, how they destroy. That is the technology readiness level. How to improve, what are the improvements we have? The camera, not only one camera, it predicts the movement of an object. When one missile is going to attack the India or some other countries, another missile will be started to destroy it. How it is possible? Technology. Two nations are suffered because of China's weapons. One of the countries, Venezuela Prime Minister or Maduro is collapsed. Without entering, they left off the fellow to the America. And one more, the guided missiles works. Applying technology research level, that is very important. As I told you, the technology, whatever the students study, that will be applied to the nation development. Then after 10 years, it will be damaged. And schools also. If the education system is not there very well in the manner of school, then what will happen? One famous psychologist said that to destroy a country, no need to give weapons, no need to send bombers to the destroyed country. Simply destroy the people, knowledge. It is happening. Particular technology. Next is TRLs based on scale from 1 to 9 they divided. 1 to 9 they divided technology levels. To develop TRL levels, 1 to 9 is observed. The 1 to 4 will be guided by Government of India. Remaining All will be guided by private sector and public sector PPP model, public-private partnership they will develop. The basic idea and concept developed is the TRL2, experimental proof of concept. Experimental proof of concept. Whatever we are doing in the laboratory on breadboard, it is not a simple thing. Breadboard, 2 resistors, 3 resistors, 1 voltage source we are connecting. That implies that will be useful indirectly in your mind to develop the nation, to secure the country. It is required. Simply, what is the breadboard? What is that resistors are connecting? These fellows are don't have any things. We are studying the resistors. Resistors connecting. What is the use of this? That is, prototype will be manufactured in the laboratory. First, prototype will be in simulation. They will do simulation. After that, they design a missile. After that, funding is required. Physically design. The funding will be provided by government. All this. Next is lab demonstration is there. TRL4. It is a technology readiness level of student. Or any particular technology, how much maturity is there means. So not only simple thing. That is TRL4, lab demonstration. In the lab, by doing simulation without destroying the materials in the lab, first we will do simulation. Whatever the missile we want to do, one camera detects the person. Now, if you see the cameras which are available on the roads, the data you can see. When there is no person, no indication is there. AI manufactured cameras are there. When a person moves, it shows a person. During this time, the person is moving. The camera records like that. Have you know how the GPS cameras are, how the CC cams works now? Olden days there is no recording. Recording is there, but indication of person, vehicle, or any animal, it is not there. Nowadays, CC cameras also, they are recording person, vehicle, or anything is moving. That will be recorded. No need to see 24 hours span of time in a one day how they will check the camera. By opening the camera recording, when the person is moved, you can see. No need to go for every minute, every second, no need to check in the recorded data file. The person moved in midnight 1 o'clock, then it will show 1 o'clock, one symbol will come. AI will detect. If there is no movement in any object, the camera will unable to detect. Suppose a new used in commercial drones. Next, reduce the technical risk. What is the main purpose of TRL? Is to reduce the technical risks, to help funding decisions, to guide R&D, research and development planning. That is the technology readiness level 7, 8, 9. Next we go for another term, manufacturing readiness level. Risk development. To develop any material, the risk will be involved. While doing a breadboard experiment, the resistors may be damaged. That is, prototype only will design TCL, TLS, supervising the object, and GPS guided drones are there. If you give the GPS location, directly it will reach to that person, that area, by the use of GPS. Do you know that in World War II, the GPS for Indians switched off entire country. During World War II, the GPS locations are not useful for India because America switched off that GPS location. Because to save other countries, the America switched off GPS. With that, experimental proof of concept, technology validated in the lab. That is for technology validated in relevant environment. First they will check in lab, after that environment, after that prototype, after that funding, after funding, they will develop a real model for the development of any technology. This is a component, basic ideas about components. What are the components we can use to develop? Observations that we have to make to develop any system, scientific observations, technology concept involved, experimental proof of concept is required for that. technology in the lab must involve. Next is technology validated in relevant environment. Gulf countries. What is the main model of that war is? Anybody say? To stop the nuclear weapons, actual war is happened. To stop the nuclear weapons, nuclear countries are four. The weapons which we have, nuclear weapons are having only in across the world 4 countries. The 4 countries will decide which country, small country, if it is developing a nuclear weapon, big country will collapse if you use that. Hiroshima, Nagasaki, it is happened in World War I. Still now there is no grass will be laid on Hiroshima, Nagasaki. If it is goodwill world across that, to order the nations, the war is going on. To order the nations means first will USS, second is UK, third one is USSR, that is United States of Russia, fourth will be India, and fifth will be China. Like that, they are ordering the one of the biggest and richest country of manufacturing to stop that. We are destroying the nuclear weapons in that matter. We, that means not we, US telling that the meetings are not in good way. That's why we started war. Like that. For technology research levels, TRL 3, TRL 1 to 2 in 1980s, how they developed. TRL 1 to fundamental principles involved, all this will be seen in TRL 1 to 2, and TRL 3, TRL 4 to 5 in 1995 to 97 it is happened to develop a missile, to develop a aerospace applications, how years taken to develop that. TRL 1 started in 1980s. Technology readiness level, that will be manufactured. To manufacture the technology which we designed in prototype or simulated, that will be manufacturing mode readiness level. Empowerment allow to innovators to develop new things and funding to develop new things. That will happen. The empowerment concept was developed by USS Defense.